Today we're focusing on eagle pose. You'll see a little plot twist because we're going to be practicing eagle not just as a standing posture, but also in the yellow zone as a supine posture. This entire series is inspired by the traffic light method in my new book, Yoga for One. Eagle's journey begins by exploring how we do and don't feel comfortable moving the lower body. We can start by crossing at the ankle joint, gently zipping the legs together for some stability, and then seeing how it feels to move one arm or wing at a time, potentially coming off the chair. If our balance is feeling secure, we might even enjoy mobilizing the arms in a slow and tender fashion, imagining that we're soaring like the eagle. From there, we can explore cross-lateral movement in the upper body, crossing the opposite arm on top at either the wrist or the elbows. Another variation is to hold back onto the chair and to cross one leg on top, and to then work towards crossing the opposite wrist on top. The chair is there for support if we need it, and we can also choose to omit the lower body crossing and simply keep a mountain stance as we move the upper body, either moving from the chest or perhaps giving ourselves a hug. In the yellow zone, we'll begin on the mat, supine, facing upward, keeping the front leg on the floor and gently crossing the opposite arm on top. From here, we can come into some gentle core strengthening work that will not only empower this pose, but build our core strength for other postures. We can build more complexity in the pose by bringing the front foot off the floor and cross more at the elbows, recrossing the hands if possible, and seeing how we feel in our eagle crunches. Once we've tried this movement, we can then soar like the eagle on the mat, opening up into a gentle X. In the green zone, we'll begin in mountain pose, working on mobilizing the upper body, seeing how it feels to both spread our wings and fly and cross one wrist on top of the other. From there, we'll go ahead and bring one ankle in front of the other with the opposite wrist on top. This gives us the same feeling we had in the red zone, but without the support of a chair nearby. We can then cross one leg above the other, perhaps recrossing at the ankle, although that's not shown, and then cross at either the wrist or the elbow, sitting back further in the posture, much like we would in a chair pose. When we're done, we can fly out of the pose in a gentle star and spread our wings as we open up to new possibilities for our practice. And there you have it, Eagle's posture in the traffic light method from my new book, Yoga for One. I want to thank you for joining me for this entire series, which is dedicated to helping you to thrive on and off the mat. Namaste.